Okay, that's what I keep my mealworms in. This old Tractor Supply bucket with the screw on top, and basically seals and keeps the ants out. I just scooped up a scoop full of these mealworms, and look at this one. Man, that joker's a whopper compared to the other ones. Somebody was eating good, man. Somebody's fixing to eat good too. Throw this out here where the chickens are. Let's see. All right, girls. You ready? Here we go. For whatever reason, this chicken here just acts like she don't care about it too much. But let's see if that big one's gone yet. Here, scoot over, scoot over. I don't see it. Somebody's gonna grab that joker. I will. Enjoy, girls.